We'll start with the magic ring. Now we go to work. 3 chains to give height from 1 double crochet. And here inside the magic ring we are going to do but 11 double crochet, totaling 12 points here in the first round. Ready, staff? I scored a total of 12 points counting the chains. Now, insert the needle into the 3rd chain and make a slip stitch. For the next lap, we will start by making 3 chains. Come back here at the same point, on the first point, and make another double crochet. Let's move on to the next point. Working 2 double crochet. At this same point, we will keep making 2 double crochet for each base point. We will take a total of 24 points. Inserts the needle into the 3rd chain. I make a slip stick here. I keep making 3 chains. At the next point, we will make 2 double crochet. An increase. At the next point, we will work 1 double crochet only. And at the next point, 1 increase. We will repeat this. All around volta, 1 double crochet, 1 increase. Make 1 slip stitch in the 3rd current. I upload 3 chains to give double crochet height. At the next point, I make 1 pun only. At the next point, we will work 1 increase. 2 points at the same point. For the next 2 points, let's work and double crochet for every one of them. At the next point, we will make 2 points. 1 increase. We will keep making 2 double crochet. 1 increase, all around volta. Here at the end, I will cut the wire. I insert the needle into the first point, high jumping chains. Come back at the last point, picking up these 2 handles. Now insert the needle into the 3rd chain and passes the wire to the back. This way we get the correct total of moles. Now do the finishing, hiding the leftover wire here behind the dots. I also do the finishing of the initial leftover wire. Now using another wire color. We'll do it on the slide. I leave it on the needle. I pick up my piece, inserting the needle into any of the points on the last turn. Taking the point foot here, I look for the wire, bring the thread to the top of the row, and close the single crochet. We will repeat here at the same single crochet. 3 repetitions of elongated single crochet. Then I do the second repetition, and the last. Now let's go to work. 5 chains. I jump 5 points from the base. Cuenta. At the next point, here we'll drop well in the increase. I will do the 3 elongated single crochet, picking up well at the base of the dot. I make 5 chains again. Now I will drop 5 points again. Since the first one here, I come at the next point, insert the needle into the base of the stitch, and here I work on 3 elongated single crochet. Ready, staff? So we'll keep repeating it this way, making 3 elongated single crochet. After 5 streams, let's jump 5 points from the base and start repeating. Again, we do it all around. Here at the end, I made 1 slip stitch on the first elongated single crochet. Now I make 2 chains. At the same point, I make a double crochet. I make 2 chains, and at the next elongated single crochet, in the middle point, I make a slip stitch. I make 2 chains. In the next point, at the last elongated single crochet, I make a double crochet. I make 2 chains and 1 slip stitch on that same elongated single crochet. Last point of the base, it will stay that way. Now we will walk with slip stitch. I skip the first point, and I keep making 4 slip sticks. Now insert the needle. At the first elongated single crochet, make the slip stitch. 2 chains. Here at the same point, work 1 double crochet. I make 2 chains. At the next point, in the middle point, I make a slip stitch. And I repeat everything. 2 chains. In the next point, work a double crochet. After 2 chains, on slip stitch. At the same point, I jump 1 current. In the following work slip stitch until you reach the next group of single crochet. And here we will repeat what we did previously. A slip stitch, 2 chains, a double crochet, again 2 chains. At the next point, a slip stitch, 2 chains. In the next point, double crochet, 2 chains. 1 more slip stitch. At the same point, we will repeat this all around. Ready, staff? As I said, 1 super fast idea. This crochet cup holder in heart model. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to leave your like.